All right, you guys, welcome back to the channel. It is going to be another wash day. It's about 80 degrees outside. These are the products I'm using. I can't pass up the opportunity for a good wash. So let's go ahead, let's get on into it. So just real quick, I want to show you guys all of the bugs that I've got on this thing. Bugs all over the windshield. This down here is actually like, I don't know, I think I hit a piece of a deer that was on the ground when I was coming back from work. I mean, it's like deer guts and blood right there. You can see all the dirt and the bugs that my bike has been collecting as I ride. So she's in need of a really good one. So first product going in.
The drying process, I like to use a little water towel. I usually use my blow dryer, but battery died on me. I'm going to go ahead and do it old school and use an old water towel.
Product I'm gonna go ahead and use this is BPR. I love this stuff. If you have a Ryker that doesn't have a wrap, I highly recommend this. It's probably one of my favorite products. It gets your bike looking so clean, so clean when you use this. But I'm still gonna use this on some of the plastic and rubber parts that are still exposed, that are not wrapped. So let's get into that. All right, let's finish it off with that tire shine and we're good to go. You guys, so that is your Ryker cleanup in a nutshell. She looks good, fresh, and ready to go. And we're gonna see you guys out on the road. So until next time, y'all be safe. Peace.